If you're one of 40 million US taxpayers using TurboTax to file and you've got crypto investments, this video is for you. Hello, my name is Nelly, and today we'll be talking about how to file your crypto taxes with Koinly and TurboTax. Okay, so Koinly is a crypto tax calculator that helps you do your taxes fast. The best part is that Koinly integrates super well with a stack of crypto platforms, and it works automatically with accounting apps like TurboTax. We've got a ton of videos on getting set up with Koinly that you can check out separately. But to get started, you'll need a TurboTax report from Koinly. If you're not already set up with Koinly, it's as simple as connecting your wallets and exchanges using the API or by uploading CSV files of your transaction history. Once Koinly has all your information, it calculates your gains, losses, income, and more. And you'll be able to see all of this in your tax summary. So scroll down to download your report. You'll need a paid Koinly plan if you don't already have one. And this will let you download as many reports as you need to file for this tax year. So from the drop-down menu, select TurboTax Export and download the report. And another important note, if you've got crypto income like mining, rewards, staking rewards, or airdrops, you'll also need to download a complete tax report from Koinly, as your TurboTax report covers your gains and losses and not income. Once you've got your reports, it's time to switch over to TurboTax. Okay, to get set up on TurboTax, you'll need to provide your personal information, so I've skipped that part of the video. Obviously, everyone will do their own, as well as report any income or other investments relevant to your circumstances. We're only looking at filing crypto in this video, so make sure to fill out any other parts of this TurboTax process as you may need. You'll also need to upgrade to the Premier TurboTax plan in order to use it to file your crypto taxes. But you can dive right in and get everything set up correctly first before you pay. Once you've added your relevant personal information into TurboTax, you can get started by filing your crypto taxes. There are two sections you might need to report: your capital gains and losses from crypto and your income from crypto. We'll start with gains, so select income and expenses. So you will have something slightly different here, like the word continue, since I've already done this process a few times, so I already have all of this stuff filled out. I'm gonna have to click review/edit. Anyways, let's scroll down to investments and savings. From here, we want to click revisit. For you, it might just say start if this is the first time you're doing it. Then we want to scroll down and click yes. After that, we want to click enter a different way and then select cryptocurrency and continue. From here, we want to select upload it from my computer and once again, click continue. From crypto services, select other and then type in Koinly under the name. And under CSV type, select gain/loss report or form 1099B. And then obviously click continue. So here we want to drag the report that we downloaded, the TurboTax report we downloaded from Koinly, into TurboTax. Your crypto, your gain/losses will pop up. So click review and then click continue. TurboTax will ask you to review your report, and once you've done so, you can feel free to click continue again. Okay, for crypto income, you'll need your Koinly complete tax report, specifically the income summary section. This shows you a breakdown of your crypto income as well as a total figure for your crypto income. Just please note that if you received a 1099 miscellaneous for crypto income from a centralized exchange, you'll need to report your crypto income differently to avoid reporting duplicate income. Anyways, once you've got the figure, head into TurboTax and go to wages and income section. From here, scroll down to less common income and select miscellaneous income from the drop-down menu. Then select other reportable income and click yes. Here you will put a description of your other taxable income. For me, here I will put crypto rewards. And the amount can be found on page 3 of your Koinly complete tax report under the income summary. So for me, for my example, I will put $2,311.80. TurboTax will round up to the nearest full dollar. So then we want to click continue and done on the following page. Once you've reported your relevant crypto transactions and reviewed the rest of your TurboTax information, that's it. The crypto section of your TurboTax is complete. If you do have any questions, let us know in the comments down below. I'm going to leave a bunch of different resources in the description if you need further assistance, everything from our help center to our feedback form to how to contact us and our support team. If you did enjoy the video, consider dropping a like, subscribing for more content like this, and I'll see you next time. Peace.